I never know if I should be looking at the camera.
Smile, yeah.
I'm super excited. We just got done shopping at the thrift store. I found the perfect little table to turn into a plant stand. So it needs to be cleaned up. I just get any sort of cleaning wipe and just give it a good bath. Need to make sure that all the dust is removed because paint will not stick to dust. Okay, all clean. Now that it's clean and dry, I'm going to sand it with some 220 grit sandpaper to help the spray paint adhere. When sanding, make sure that you stay with the grain and not against the wood grain. After sanding, just make sure that you use a cloth and get all of that extra paint dust off of your item. Remember, this is just primer, so it doesn't have to cover perfectly. Now that it's primed, it just needs to dry. So after I prime, I always just run my hand over it and make sure that there isn't any rough spots, because if there is, I will sand it a little bit more just to make sure that it's nice and smooth before I paint. So I chose an ultra matte. It's called Perfect Gray. I really like the 2x coverage because it just covers really well. When spray painting with paint, I always start off of the item. I release the can and then re-engage. So I take my finger completely off when it's on the side and then I push it again. Just breathing new life into this fun little table, which will become a plant stand. I have the perfect spot for it. Just because it doesn't bring joy to you, doesn't mean it won't bring joy to me. Shake, shake, shake.